Well, hi everybody, it's Mike Woods at the Property Expert Partnership. I see a lot of information and questions coming on the internet and Facebook in various groups about condensation. I thought I'd put this video together for you very quickly to help people understand how it occurs. So basically, condensation is where we've got warm, moist air from inside a property condensating on an outside cold wall. It becomes very much apparent as we go into autumn, particularly October, November. And the material changes, the air temperature outside drops, the moist air inside the property remains the same, and then that cold surface gives rise to the moist air condensating. Now we take this bedroom here. As you can see, we've got a reasonably well decorated wall, and then lo and behold, in this area here, we've got this massive case of condensation. Now the reason this occurred is that there was two wardrobes tight against the wall here. So the fact that these wardrobes were here, tight against the wall, was stopping any air being able to circulate behind and create the air movement to take away the condensation or the moisture. Now, if you look at this, it's pretty bad. It really is quite bad and heavy down here. But when we look closely at it, we can see when we just take the paint away, how we actually have got a reasonably good plaster finish behind. So again, whilst this looks quite bad, at the end of the day, once this is scraped off and prepped, we're good to go again. So the other thing that was apparent in this room is we just re-roofed this property, and above this ceiling there was no insulation. So this room was particularly colder because of the heat rising and being lost. So these wall surfaces would altogether be colder, and simply because there were wardrobes here and the air couldn't move, we had this situation. So that is a clear explanation for you of how condensation can be really, really isolated because of something as simple as furniture. So I hope that's helpful, and anything else you need to know, look at my website, Mike Woods Property Expert Partnership, or check out my Facebook page. Thanks very much. Bye-bye.